When the last time your room was so clean, it could start in a minimalist Pinterest board. If your answer is never, or you're currently staring at mountain laundry, don't worry, I've got you. Today we are diving into the ultimate guide on how to keep your room clean and organized. So, do you feel like you spend hours cleaning only for your room to look messy 2 days later? Or maybe you've bought all the storage bins, yet somehow chaos still reigns. Or if you've ever thought, I'm just not a tidy person. Well, no, don't blame yourself. Here's the thing, keeping a clean room isn't about cleaning harder, it's about cleaning smarter. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do that with tips and actually work, plus a few secrets I picked up after years of trial and error. Stick around because by the end of this video, you will have a room so clean. Let's go! The first thing is make your bed the second you wake up. I know. Making the bed feels like a pointless task, right? Personally, I didn't truly get the hype until I hit 38. Yes, it took me that long. And now it's my go-to good habit. Here's why it works. Making your bed is like flipping a switch in your brain that says, hey, the day has officially started. It's so quick, satisfying, and sets a tone for a productive day. Plus, nothing transforms a room faster than a mad bed. Even if the rest of your space is a little chaotic, a tiny bed gives the illusion that you've got it all together. If you ask, do I have any practical tips? Well, keep it simple. Skip the decorative pillows if they are just going to end up the floor. Make your bed in under 2 minutes and bam, you've already accomplished something before your coffee. Number 2 is clean those surfaces. Flat surfaces are like that one friend who's always inviting trouble. They're total clutter magnets. Your desk, nightstand, and dresser are practically begging for random stuff to pile up. Keys? Dump it here. Empty coffee cup? Sure, why not? But let's flip the script. Clean surfaces equal a clean mind. Here's a golden rule. If it's not essential, it doesn't belong. For example, my desk has exactly 3 things: my laptop, a lamp, and my phone. No rogue pens, no unopened mail, no snack wrappers. Everything else, it gets stored, recycled, or donated. Think about it. When your surfaces are clean, your room feels bigger, brighter, and way more peaceful. One time, a friend walked into my room and said, wow, it feels so spacious. Well, little did they know, my big room secret is simply a clutter-free desk. Trust me, once you adopt a no clutter on surface rule, you will wonder how you ever lived with all that visual chaos, and it's way easier to dust. Number 3 is organized by category, not chaos. Here's where we all go wrong. We tidy things based on where they are, not what they are. So you end up with makeup in the kitchen drawer and that random batteries in your closet, right? Sound familiar? Instead, think like a librarian. Everything should have a category. Like all your books, one shelf. Tableware, a kitchen drawer. Beauty products, one drawer. Not scattered across the bathroom like a scavenger hunt. And socks? Okay, let's get serious. Pair those bad boys up and keep them together. For example, I've got a shelf just for skincare. The moment I'm done with my moisturizer, back it go to its cozy little spot. Well, this system makes cleaning a breeze because everything has a home and you always know where to find it. A pro tip here, label containers if you are feeling fancy. It's like a VIP pass for your belongings, right? Organizing by category isn't rocket science, but wow, does it save time and stress. It feels oddly satisfying, like nailing the final piece of a puzzle. Number 4 is ditch the decor overload. Alright, let's talk about decor. We all love a pretty room, right? But do we really need 15 throw pillows and a collection of knickknacks that rival a thrift store? Let me be the one to break it to you. Less is more. I used to be a decor hoarder, like candles, picture frames, cute little furnitures everywhere. And you know what? All that did was collect dust and make cleaning a nightmare. Now I've gone minimalist. My room has just 1 or 2 statement pieces and the rest is just blissful clutter-free. For example, instead of a shelf full of trinkets, I've got 1 or 2 books that means a lot to me and a small greenhouse plant. It's simple, intentional, and makes the space feel like so much more open. The best part is less decor means less cleaning, right? No more carefully dusting the tiny objects on your dresser. And trust me, your room will still look stylish, just with a lot less effort. Number 5 is clean the bathroom after every shower. Well, this one is a game changer and it takes less time than scrolling TikTok. After every shower, I spend 2 minutes wiping down the mirror, sink, and surfaces. Sounds extra, but it prevents buildup and keeps my bathroom looking chef's kiss spotless. Like the water spot on the mirror, gone. Toothpaste residue, not in this house. Soap scum in the sink, not a chance. It's like a mini reset for your bathroom every morning. Here's how I do this. I keep a microfiber cloth nearby, give the sink a quick swipe, and use a squeegee on the shower glass. It's oddly satisfying and way better than spending your weekend scrubbing with industrial strength cleaners. I also wipe down the shower floor to keep it fresh and prevent mold. It takes an extra 30 seconds, but makes a huge difference. And let's be real, starting your day in a clean bathroom just to feel like you've got life figured out. Number 6 is end the day with a clean kitchen. Imagine this. You wake up, shuffle into the kitchen with one eye barely open, and boom, a spotless counter greets you like an old friend. Suddenly, the morning feels less like a battle and more like an Instagram-worthy coffee moment. That's the vibe we are going for, folks. For this moment, every night I took 10 minutes tops to reset the kitchen, like load the dishwasher, wipe down the counter, and send a coffee pot. It's basically a love letter to my future self. Because let's face it, nothing kills your morning emoji faster than a sink full of yesterday's dishes. I used to skip this step and thinking, well, maybe I will deal with tomorrow, right? But tomorrow you will not thank today you for that. So treat your kitchen like the MVP it is and give it the nightly reset it deserves. Here's the magic of this habit. It's quick, it's easy, and it sets a tone for a productive day. Next one is turn cleaning into a workout. Okay, who says cleaning cannot be double as cardio? Think about it. You are squatting to pick this up, scratching to dust those shelves, and doing laundries while vacuuming. When I've been sitting for long, because writing scripts is basically a bad marathon. Anyway, I just stand up and clean something. Laundry? Perfect excuse for scrub wraps while folding. Dusting? That's basically a full body workout if you move faster enough. One time, I turned sweeping into a dance with myself. I had so much fun and also got a cleaner floor. The beauty of this habit is you are sneaking in movement while tackling chores, which means you are killing 2 birds with 1 very clean stone. And if it's not too disturbing to the neighbors, blast some upbeat music and turn your cleaning sesh into a private dance party. Who needs a gym when you are got a mob and a killer playlist? Number 8 is do laundry weekly, no excuse. Let's be real, laundry is a chore that waits for no one. Skip it, and suddenly you are down to mismatched socks and that shirt you swear you would never wear again. So here's the move. Pick a laundry day and commit like it's your Netflix subscription. For me, Sundays are secret laundry days. While the washing machine works its magic, I took a few minutes to re-evaluate my wardrobe. Find a shirt I haven't touched in years. Well, just say goodbye to that donation pile. The key is consistency. Doing laundry weekly means no overflowing hampers, no last minutes, do I have clean underwear crisis, and no marathon folding sessions. It's like maintenance mode for your sanity. Maybe you want to try something nice, like Like treat yourself to a cozy candle or playlist while you fold. It turns a mundane task into something almost enjoyable. Well, almost, that's good enough for most of us. Number 9 is keep a decluttering routine. Here's a little secret. Decluttering doesn't have to be a huge, stressful event. Instead, make it a tiny daily habit. Every time I put clothes back in my closet, I do a quick scan. If I spot something I haven't worn in months or years, well, it goes straight to my donation bag. This simple routine keeps my wardrobe lean and mean. No more rifling through clothes I've never wear just to find my favorite hoodie. Plus, it's like a mini reality check every day. Do I actually need this? You can extend this habit to other areas too. Junk drawer, quick scan while grabbing a pen. Bathroom cabinet, toss expired products while reaching for your toothpaste. These micro decluttering moments add up, and before you know it, your space is free of unnecessary stuff. So there you have it, my tried and true habits for keeping my room clean and organized. Remember, it's not about being perfect. It's about creating habits that make life easier. Which of these tips are you excited to try? Or maybe you've got a genius cleaning hack of your own. Drop it in the comments below. And hey, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's keep this clean and organized journey going together. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!